Okay, this is the last piece of the sanctuary tour. Well, okay, minus the belfry, but still. So today we're looking at the living room. We've done the kitchen, the dining room over here, and our L-shaped closet is here. And then tucked in behind that L shape and towards this little thing here is stairs to the basement. It has a little railing around. So tucked in that kind of zone will be our, like the fancy living room. Not the big movie watching snack room, kids everywhere, but sort of a nice living room. Along the wall of the closets, so the L-shaped closet is here facing inward, that makes the mudroom. On the back of it, we're going to put a mantle, non-functioning, but a nice mantle. For Christmas and decor and all that fun stuff, I'll do a candle detail similar to this. This space is going to be anchored by a blue area rug, low lighting, so table lamps, big plants, with a giant tree. I want to build a box to cover our TV, so we need to find art that we like but are okay with chopping up to cover it. So here's the before, here is the during, and of course here's our mood board, and stay tuned and follow us to see how it all comes together in the end.